beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, thank you for clicking. My name is Olayinka. Welcome to Yinka Beams. And if this is your second time and you are a returning subscriber, I love the fact that you always come back to watch my videos. Thank you very much, and I do not take it for granted. So on this channel, I talk about big business, I talk about business growth and tutorials, I talk about tutorial videos, I talk about personal development, and I talk about lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create an ebook in your field. Yes, I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step guide on how to create an ebook. Are you ready? Let's get started. So what is an ebook? I'm going to be breaking it down. An ebook is called an electronic copy. An ebook is one of the digital products that you can create for your business. So do you have anything that you're passionate about? Do you have anything? Do you have any knowledge at all? You are not a dollar. There is something that you know that you can teach people. Maybe you have given birth and you have successfully trained your children. You can come up with books on how you've trained your children, or on how you've been a successful stay-at-home mom, or if you organize your house, how to organize. You can definitely create an ebook on anything. You can create an ebook on how to cook. You can create an ebook on how to clean the house. You can create an ebook on how to feed your dog. You can create an ebook on how to teach others. You can create an ebook. You can create an ebook on anything. How to cook, how to clean, how to bid, how to start a big business, how to start any business in your field. You know something, you want to share a story with the world. You can create an ebook. You have an idea, you are an expert. Maybe you are a human resource manager, you are an admin administrator, you are a lawyer. You want to teach other lawyers that are coming behind you. You want them to be able to learn from you. That is what ebook is for. One of the way that you can monetize your knowledge is by creating an ebook. There are different ways, but creating an ebook is one way. You can do a class, you can organize a course, you can create a course. But the simplest thing, the first thing that is easily for you to do is that you can write a book. Now, many people find it very difficult to write a book. Many people have even started writing a book, but they got stuck and they don't even know how to continue. And many people do not even know how to begin. And that is one of the reasons why I'm doing this video today. So get started and let us go into the 10 step, one after the other. Like I said an ebook is an electronic copy. It is one of the digital products that you can create for your business in your field. No matter the field, the industry, or the niche that you belong to, there is something that you know, you have an idea, you are knowledgeable about something, you are passionate in something. There is something that you know. Think, yes, there is something that you know. There's something that you know so well, that you are knowledgeable, that you can teach other people. So you can package those things nicely and write them and package it into an ebook. The first step that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is what is called find your topic. Yes, the first thing you want to do when you want to write an ebook is that you need to have a topic that you want to write about. Yes. And when I mean find your topic, that means that your ebook must be providing solution to your audience. Your ebook must not be solving different problems. It is an ebook. It must be specific. I understand that there are so many people, they have different skills, they have different knowledge, you are so good in different things. It is not bad, but you definitely cannot put all of those things inside an ebook because you're going to be confusing your audience, your reader. So you need to know a particular thing that you want to solve. Your ebook must be solving a particular problem. I know that you have so many things that you want to teach people. You are knowledgeable in so many things, but you definitely cannot put all of those things into an ebook, and that is why your ebook must be directed to solve a specific problem. So think about the topic you want to write about, and when you want to find your topic, you have to have a title for your book, and you have to have a subtitle. Yes, your ebook must have a title and a subtitle. Your title can either be long and your subtitle can be short, while your title can be short or your subtitle can be long. Either ways, vice versa, it can be long and short, or it can be short and long. Both of them cannot be long at the same time, and both of them cannot be short at the same time. I hope you're taking that. Now, the second step you want to do when you want to write an ebook, when you want to create an ebook in your field, the step-by-step guide, the second step I want to share with you today is called research. Now, after you have thought about it, after you have thought, you have decided that this is the topic that I want to write about, you need to make a research. Yes, it's not enough for you to think of the topic. It's also important for you to carry out a research. And I'm going to be giving you one way to carry out a research in this video. You can use Google to carry out a research. You want to go on Google to type in the topic that you have in mind. You want to type it in. You want to see the people that are searching for those type of topic. If you see people that are searching for the type of topic that you have in mind, that means that so many people want to learn about that thing, and that is an indication that you can write on that topic. The second way, I told you I want to share with you one, but I'm going to be giving you the second way to carry out a research. The second way to carry out a research about the topic you want to write about is that you want to carry out a survey, or you want to carry out a questionnaire, or you want to carry out a survey, a research about your target audience. And how can you do this? Listen carefully. You want to do this with your social media platform. Maybe, for example, the name of the book I want to write is how to bake a cake. Because I am a baker, I am not a baker, I am a bee designer, but I'm just using this as an example. Because I am a baker and I am an expert, and I want to teach people how to bake a vanilla cake. In as much as that is what I want to create an ebook about, I still have to research about it. I still have to find out if people are willing to get an ebook when I eventually write and publish it. So what you are going to do, you are going to go on Google Forms to create a questionnaire, to create a questions. Number one, you give them the questions, and it's just like a way to carry out a research. When you write the questions, you will post it on your social media platform and say, I'm thinking of writing an ebook in this. Would you like to get a copy when I eventually write an ebook? If I get 20 people that say yes, I will go ahead and write the ebook. Please also fill this form. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to include in the ebook. This is a way to do a research. Yes, I shared with you Google and also using Google Forms. Yes, with a questionnaire or using a survey. Please, in as much as I know that you want to write an ebook and you are so eager to share your knowledge with the world, you are so eager to share your ideas, you are so eager to make people learn from you, from your wealth of knowledge, please do not write an ebook without finding if people actually want to get a copy. If you do, it's going to be disastrous. First step is you have to outline the content of your book. Now, listen carefully. Your book must have a chapter. Your book must have subheadings. Your book must have sections. Your book must have numbering. Your book must have a key point. It must have bullet points in your book. Now, so the third step says outline your book content. So that means you want to start knowing what chapter you want to write. How many chapters does your book have? Does your book have 7 chapters, 5 chapters, 10 chapters? Under each chapter, what is the subtopic you want to talk about? You have to outline them. You have to jot them down. And that means that if you want to write a book, you need to have a book and a pen in order to be able to jot your thoughts, jot your ideas down. The first step, and I'm going to share with you, is that after you have outlined your book content, you want to do what? You want to get to writing. Yes, I know that so many people find it very difficult. How do I want to write? Some people even have writer's block. Every author experiences writer's block. Writer's block means that when there are no information, when there are no inspiration, when there is nothing coming to your head to write, you just go blank. You are just stuck. There is nothing, you don't even know what to write. That is what is called writer's block. But there is a way for you to overcome that writer's block, and that is one of the things that you are going to be learning when you get a copy of my book. Yes, I have to put it in. I have a book titled How to Write, Launch and Publish Your Ebook. Ebook Made Easy. So it is a book, it is an ebook, and it is going to help you to create a book in your field. But that is just a tip. I'm just giving you a sniper. So if you want to get a copy of my book, you can use the link in the description to get a copy. So the first thing I said is that after you have outlined your book content, you want to actually write. Now there are different ways to write your ebook. You can write your ebook with a paper, with a pen and a book. That means you have to get a book and you have to start writing in chapters, in subheadings, in etc. You put the one that is supposed to have bullets, you put bullets. The one that is supposed to have a number, you number it. Maybe you want to talk about 3 examples of a cake. You say we have vanilla cake, that red velvet, and we have chocolate cake. And I'm trying to say we have different types of cake. We have carrot cake, we have vanilla cake, we have chocolate cake, we have red velvet. You want to list them, you want to number them. Number 1 vanilla, number 2 chocolate cake, number 3 red velvet, number 4 carrot cake, etc. You want to use numbering in your book. That is what is called outline your book. Now when you are now writing your book, you have to now start writing all those things down. Yes, you now get your book, get a pen, and you now start writing. If you think that a pen and a book is like old school and you have a laptop, you can also use your laptop to start writing. As it flows from your head, you want to start writing. Actually, when you want to write a book in your topic, you want to go online, you want to scan, you want to get some ideas online. I'm not saying you should copy from people. You want to get inspiration of information that is online, and you want to know about, you want to have a good knowledge about it, and you also want to be knowledgeable about the topic you want to write. You must have 90% knowledge about the topic you want to write, while the main 10% will be like you want to go online, you want to just search for some information that you might probably add, but you must be knowledgeable in that topic that you want to write about. Now, if you feel that you don't want to use you don't have a laptop and you want to write, and you don't want to use a book and a pen, you can also use your smartphone. Every smartphone has something that is called a notepad. If your smartphone do not have a notepad, I don't know what to do to you. Okay, there's another opportunity for you. If your smartphone does not have a notepad, there's something called Google Docs. Yes, Google Docs is one of the documents that Google has, and you can download this on Play Store. So you just go to Play Store, download Google Docs, and you will be using Google Docs. It's just like a Word document. You will be using it to write your book. So everything, you'll be writing your book, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. If you wanted to have 10 chapters, 5 chapters, as you wish. Now, the 5th step, after you have successfully finished writing your book, the next thing you want to do is that you want to add links, you want to add visuals. Means you want to add images to your book. This is optional. Your book do not necessarily need to have a link, but if you feel that your book needs links, please go ahead and add a link. Because my first book that I launched in 2020, I embedded links in the book because I wanted to explain some bead videos to my reader, and I included videos of some bead designs into my book because it is an ebook. So anybody that is reading from their laptop or from their phone can click on the link and watch the video. So you want to include link in your ebook. Yes, it is possible. You also want to add images into your ebook so that your book will be attractive. It is optional. It is not by force. So the 7th step you want to do is that after you have successfully finished writing your book, you have finished writing from chapters to chapters, everything, pali to pali, back to back, you have finished writing, you will do what is called editing and proofreading, and that is number 7. Number 7 step is editing and proofreading. Editing and proofreading is that your book must pass through an editing phase. If your book do not pass through an editing phase, there will be so many errors, and you can contact a professional book editor or a professional book editor to edit your book. You cannot go through the editing of your book yourself because it is not easy, and you can confidently hire a book editor. Please contact any book editor in your field or anyone that you know, and let them edit your book. My first book, I contacted a book editor, yes, because I didn't even know anything about it. Now that I have the fourth book, I already have an idea, but the first book, I know nothing about it, and I'm like, oh, editor, please do your work. And I just paid, and she helped me to edit my book, and she did it, and she gave me the corrections, and I did the corrections, and my book was professionally simple, very easy, that even a 10-year-old will understand my first book. So that is what you want to do. You want to give a professional editor to edit your book. After you are done with everything, we are now at the number 8. The number 8 says you have to do formatting. So you have to format your book. Formatting of your book means that you want to make sure that your book is well aligned, your book has the right format, your book has the right consistent font. That means the fonts that you use in your book must be consistent. Your book, when you are writing a book, the font that is expected for you to use is a standard font. Example of standard fonts are Times New Roman, Verdana, Arial, etc. And the font size for an ebook is size 12, while your chapters or your subheadings can have size 16 or size 18, but the body of the text should be size 12. Now, the format of your book, when you are done, your book must have a particular margin, a particular page size. For a standard book, you are supposed to use a 6x9, or if you want a pocket square book, a book that is very small that somebody can put in their pocket. If you eventually print your book into an hard copy, you can use a 5.5 by 8.5, or you can use a 5 by 8 page size. This is called a margin, and it is under the Microsoft Word. They are going to do the formatting of your book. You can use your smartphone to do the formatting of your book using your Google Docs, but it's going to be stressful for you. But if you have a laptop, you can use your laptop to do the formatting. So you have to know the particular page size, you have to know the particular font you want to use, you have to know how your font will be consistent all through your chapters, and in order to make sure that your book is well aligned and is okay, is easily readable, and anybody that picks your ebook will be able to read it. If you know that you cannot format your book, there are also people that are professional book formatters. They can help you to do the formatting of your ebook. Please do all well to contact anybody that is in this field. Now, when you are done formatting your book and you want to start sharing your book out, you will download your book as a PDF. However, we are going to the number 9. After you have formatted your book and you have downloaded your book as a PDF, that means your book is ready. Now, there's something that is called cover design, and number 9 step says cover design. A cover design is how your book is looking, and is how your customer sees your book on social media or on your website or on your landing page, how your book is attractive. So you want to contact a professional graphics designer to design an amazing, attractive cover design for your book. If you are a graphics designer and you are watching this video and you want to write an ebook, by all means go on and design a beautiful book cover for yourself. But if you do not know anything about graphics, please Do not design it yourself so that your cover design will not be looking so ugly, it will not be looking so shabbily, because it is the way your book cover is looking. That is how your customers will know that something that the content in that book is worth it. Your cover design cannot be looking like what I don't know and you expect somebody to buy from you. It is not possible. So contact a graphic designer to design an amazing book cover for you. Now we have the third step. If you have watched this video to this place, you can see how I'm sweating. Yes, I am so excited to tell you that you haven't subscribed to my channel. You haven't subscribed to my channel, yeah? Before I give you the 10th step, the 10th one, because I've tried from number 1 to 9, give me my flowers. So yeah, click on that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Yeah, click on it, click on it. We are not fighting now. Are we fighting? Oh yeah, click on the subscribe button. So click on the subscribe button and please subscribe to my channel. So the 10th step says publish your ebook and market it. Woo! The 10th step is publish your ebook and market your ebook. Now there are different publishing platform that you can publish your ebook on. Now that your book is ready, remember you have downloaded your ebook as a PDF, right? You will now go on your Google Drive. You will now go and download your ebook there to your Google Drive. Your Google Drive, after you have downloaded your ebook on Google Drive, you will now get your downloadable link. You will now go on to Seller. Seller is an e-commerce website in Nigeria. You will now go on to Seller to create a book, and you will put in the downloadable link in that book. So when anybody buys your book, they will be able to download your ebook successfully. That is not all. There are also publishing platforms that you can publish your ebook. I'm going to be giving you one of the popular publishing platform in this video, so that I'm not going to share all the teas and the juices in my book. Yes, I tried for me to give you 1 to number 10. That means that you have to get a copy of my book titled Ebook Made Easy: How to Write, Launch, and Publish Your Book. So one of the popular platform that you should publish your book is called Amazon. Yes, Amazon Kindle Publishing. Amazon KDP is one of the amazing book platform that you can publish your book and market it. So you market your ebook using your social media platform, using beautiful content, using your reviews, etc. So I think I am done. I have successfully helped you. I've successfully broken down. I've successfully, even if you don't have an idea about anything in this video, I'm sure you got that you should download your ebook as a PDF. You should have page design. You should have a page layout. You should make sure that your book is well formatted. You should have a cover design. You should make sure that you add links or images, even though it is optional. You should make sure that you research your target audience, and you make sure that you find your topic. And the 10th one is you make sure that you publish your book on Amazon, and also make sure that it is on Seller, and go to your Google Drive and impute and download your book to your Google Drive to get the downloadable link, in order to be able to include this link on your Seller platform. So if you are an aspiring author, if you want to learn how to write, launch and publish your ebook, this that I just mentioned in this video is just a tip of the juices of the beautiful things I have in my book titled Ebook Made Easy: How to Write, Launch and Publish Your Ebook. You can get a copy of that book today for only 3,500. I'm going to be dropping the link in my description. Use the link in my description to get a copy. It is a step-by-step guide. Anybody that gets that book that is confused on what to write, on how to write an ebook, you'll be able to move from a confused state to a place of clarity. Yes, be able to write and create ebooks in your field. You'll be able to share your ideas, share your knowledge, share your stories, share your expertise with the world, because the world is waiting for you, and there are so many things that you know that you want to teach other people. So don't let anybody tell you that you don't know anything. You know so much. You are amazing. You know a lot. You know so many things. So many people want to learn from you. That business, that thing that you do, package it and put it into an ebook and sell it. people will definitely buy from you when you do it the right way. So don't forget to get a copy of my book today titled Ebook Made Easy: How to Write, Launch and Publish Your Ebook for only 3,005. Use the link in the description and get a copy for yourself. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Are we fighting? You oh yeah, subscribe to my channel. If you know that this video got value from it and you have a friends and a loved ones, please do well to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Olayinka once again, and this is Yinka Beams. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.